are components required here are 2 input XOR gate, digital trainer kit and patch cords. And other than that, we need also 7408, 7404, 7432, 7486. The circuit diagram for this one is, this is a circuit diagram, binary to gray. And gray to binary, because of implementation complexity, we are using exclusive OR gate and we have simplified circuit diagram. So now before moving, what is gray code? Gray code. Now the question comes, what is gray code? Gray code is a non-weighted code used in certain application. It is a non-weighted code. For example, if I have 0, 0, 1, 0, this is the binary, this is B3, B2, B1 and B0. How to convert this into gray? To convert this into gray, so first you have to write 0 as it is, B3 as it is, then add 0 to 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 to 0, 1 plus 0, 1. So now this is the gray code. That is, this is G3, G2, G1, G0. This is binary to gray. So 0, 0, this is the gray code. This is binary, this is gray. So 16 combination you have to convert into gray, as I said earlier. Then next one is gray to binary. How to convert gray to binary? So now we will take the same code, gray, G3, G2, G1, G0, 0, 0, 1, 1. We want to convert this to binary. Write MSB, in this case G3 as it is, then add this to the next bit, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, ignore the carry. So now this is our binary. That is nothing but B3, B2, B1 and B0. So in this way we can convert gray to binary, binary to gray. So dear students, you can see here, this is binary to gray and this is gray to binary. And after that you have to solve this one by using K-map. So you can see here, this is K-map simplification for binary to gray. So K-map simplification for G3, these are the input. That is B0, B1, B2, B3 are the input and G3 is the output that you have to map in K-map, 4 variable K-map. Then the solution for this one is G3 is equal to B3, G2 is equal to this one, G1 is equal to this one, and similarly we will get the other value. So finally we will get, here you can see, my dear students, G3 is equal to B3, G2, when you solve it by using K-map, G2 is nothing but exclusive OR of B3, B2, G1 is nothing but exclusive OR of B1, B2, G0 is nothing but exclusive OR of B1, B0. So when you implement this one, this is the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram, G0, G1, G2, G3, where G3 is a MSB and G0 is a LSB. So after this, this is the code for gray to binary. When you implement this one, you will get the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram, gray to binary. So this is the implementation circuit diagram. This is implementation of binary to gray. We are using 7404, 7408 and 7408 and 7432. Initially you have to connect VCC and ground. You know this all ICs are 14 pin IC. So you know VCC is 14 and ground is 7. Ground is 7. So first do the basic connections. After that this is LSB, B0, B1, B2, B3, and this is our gray output code, that is G0, G1, G2, G3. So this is MSB, G3. This is MSB and this is LSB. So this is input here. We are giving input here, and this is the output. This is the input binary and this is the output gray. So initially you have to do the connection like this, and now so here we will now check 0 0 0 0. So when 0 0 0 0, you will get output is equal to 0 0 0. Binary 0 0 0 and gray is 0 0 0. When I give binary 0 0 0 1, that means here focus 0 0 0 1, output is also 0 0 0 1. Output is also 0 0 0 1. Let us check now this one 0 1 1 1. Input is 0 1 1 1. So input is 0 1 1 1. Input is 0 1 1. Output is 0 1 0 0. Output you get 0 1 0 0. That is G3 is 0, G2 is 1, 0 0. This is the output. So we will check the last combination here 1 1 1. That is all are 1 input binary 1 and output is equal to 1 0 0 0. You will get output is equal to 1 0 0 0. So this is the implementation of a binary to gray code conversion. So the implementation of gray to binary is very simple circuit. Here you can see that this is the implementation. This is a circuit diagram for implementation of gray to binary.